When Dr. Alaniz first arrives back at the clinic she started in the East African nation of Malawi, everyone wants to say hi. For the past 12 years, she's performed life-altering surgeries.
Dr. Alaniz brings a medical team from the U.S. back to her home country of Malawi.
We first discovered her work on TikTok.
They bring all of their own equipment and supplies from the U.S.
But her story is so much bigger. Alaniz grew up here, the eldest of 8 children.
We carried water on our heads. I remember the closest well that we had close to our house was about 5 miles away. So on school days, I recall we used to get up like at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Her father practiced medicine, and she learned from her mom that pregnancy in Malawi was dangerous.
Before she would go in to deliver, take me around the house and show me where everything was, sort of preparing me for the possibility that if she didn't come home with that birth, then I would be able to take over the family.
It made Annie want to study women's health care, and when she was 16, an American doctor gave her the chance, moving her to the U.S. and paying for her education.
I tell people it felt like winning the lottery. To be the person that was given such an incredible opportunity was an amazing gift for me, one that, you know, has completely changed the trajectory of my life.
The first time she returned to Malawi, she helped at her father's clinic and watched a young girl who could have easily been saved in the U.S. die of dehydration.
I think that was probably my epiphany at that point. I started to realize then that that was my life, that I could have been that little girl who could have died of dehydration, but that somehow, you know, I was spared. I really sort of started to ask myself and really, you know, ask, like, what is my purpose in all of this?
Dr. Alaniz founded Pathawira, meaning safe haven, a complex with an orphanage, school, and clinic. The clinic now treats over 30,000 patients a year, like Asinder Congo, who sells tomatoes for a living. She's had chronic pain from very large uterine fibroids for years. Now she would finally get surgery. She says, right now I'm so happy that my problems are coming to an end. I lacked peace in my life and wasn't living freely. It feels like freedom. Dorothy Simfukwe's surgery went well too, and she'll be able to attend her son's college graduation.
I'm so excited. My pain, no more pain. I'm a happy woman now.
It's not easy for the medical team. The lights go out often, and they operate by flashlight or headlamps. Dr. Alaniz performed over 50 surgeries on this recent trip in the one OR at a local hospital. In November, they're opening a new surgical center with 4 more operating rooms.
All those things happened because I had a dream and I shared it, even when I didn't have resources, and people came along and joined me.
Kate Snow, NBC News.